Good morning students, welcome back to online class. Today under the topic creative application, chapter 2 mobile OS and its types, we just learned the remaining types of mobile OS and its function. Let us see the learning objectives. Top 10 mobile operating system and their function. We already learned about Google Android OS. In the part 1, we already learned Google Android OS. The remaining 9 mobile OS and its functions we just learned in this part 2. Before that, we just recall whatever we just learned in the previous part 1. What is an operating system? An operating system is a software that controls all the operations of a computer. It is a software which controls all the operations of a computer. Example for that is Microsoft Windows. Then what is mobile operating system? If an OS that are specially designed to run on mobile devices, then it is termed as mobile operating system. In other words, OS that is used in smartphones, tablets or other electronic devices is termed as mobile OS. Example for that, Apple's iOS, Google's Android OS. Now, the first one we have to learn Apple iOS. It is a type of mobile OS, Apple iOS. Observe the symbol for this mobile OS. Let us see the points. The smartphones from the company Apple use a software called iOS. The smartphones from Apple use the iOS software, that is Apple iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch or the devices from the company Apple use the mobile OS called iOS. iOS was originally called as iPhone OS. The word I stands for iPhone. Move on to the next one, BlackBerry. Observe the symbol for the company BlackBerry. BlackBerry was once the leader in smartphone. The OS from BlackBerry was Research in Motion. The BlackBerry OS name is Research in Motion, but nowadays it is called as BlackBerry OS. Next, move on to the next one, Symbian. Symbian is a type of mobile OS that was used by the company Nokia. Symbian is one of the mobile OS used by Nokia. Move on to the next one, Firefox OS. I think all are well known about the word Firefox. Observe the picture for Firefox. Let us see the points about Firefox OS. Firefox OS is one of the web browser. It is one of the web browser. They just introduced an operating system for mobile. It is named as Firefox OS. The Firefox web browser introduced an operating system for mobile phones that is called as Firefox OS. That Firefox OS was developed in HTML version 5. The expansion of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Move on to the next one, Windows 8. It is a special type of OS. You are familiar with the symbol Windows 8, I think so. Let us know the point. Windows 8 is Microsoft's newest operating system. Windows 8 is not only for personal computer but is available for mobile phones and tablets as well. It is a special case of mobile OS. It is not applicable for personal computer but also applicable for mobile OS. So it is a special type of OS. It is applicable both for computer as well as for mobile. Move on to the next one, Ubuntu. The symbol for Ubuntu is shown in the figure. Ubuntu is a simple and an elegant OS. It is a simple and elegant OS. It is a African word. It is an African word. The meaning of that African word is humanity to others. Ubuntu is an African word which means humanity to others. The next one is Tizen. Tizen was formerly known as Limo. It is formerly known as Limo. The other name for Tizen is Limo. It is an OS for mobiles and tablets. We already learned Windows is the OS that is for mobile, tablets as well as personal computer, but Tizen is only for mobiles and tablets. It is also produced by Samsung company, but it is not indicated in your textbook. Next one is Bada OS. Observe the picture for Bada OS. Bada OS is a OS from Samsung. It is an OS from the company Samsung. This was Samsung's earlier OS, but now most of the Samsung phones run on Android OS. Most of the Samsung phones, they just use the OS called Android OS. We already learned that Android OS is a OS that can be frequently used mobile OS around the world. The last one is Brew OS. The symbol for Brew OS is indicated. Let us learn the expansion for the word Brew. Binary runtime environment for wireless. Binary runtime environment for wireless. Now, points to remember. Let us go through what we have learned in part 2. The first point is smartphones from Apple use a mobile OS called iOS. The OS from the company BlackBerry is called as Research in Motion, but nowadays it is termed as BlackBerry OS. Symbian is one of the mobile OS that is used by Nokia. Firefox is a web browser. They introduced an OS that is called Firefox OS that is used in mobile phones. Windows 8 is a special type of mobile OS. It is used not only for personal computer but also for mobile phones and tablets. Ubuntu is a simple and elegant OS which means humanity to others. It was introduced by this company called Canonical. It is not indicated in your book. Canonical. Tizen, it is a OS for mobiles and tablets. Then Bada OS is a OS used by the company Samsung, but nowadays the Samsung phones run on Android OS. Then expansion of Brew OS is binary runtime environment for wireless. It is produced by the company called Qualcomm. I just indicated within a bracket. It is not noted down in your textbook, so that I just put it in a bracket. If they ask the question, which OS belongs to the company Samsung, you just pick the answer Bada OS. Okay, you didn't pick the answer Tizen because the Bada OS is only indicated in your textbook, so you just pick up the word Bada OS. Now it's time to ask question. Fill in the blanks. Go through the questions clearly. The first one, DAS is a simple and an elegant OS. The second question is, DAS is an OS for mobiles and tablets. iOS was originally called as DAS. DAS OS was developed in HTML5. DAS is one of the mobile operating systems used by Nokia. DAS is the Microsoft newest operating system. Check your answer with the help of answer key. The first answer, Ubuntu is a simple and an elegant OS. Tizen is an OS for mobiles and tablets. iOS, originally called as iPhone OS. Firefox OS was developed in HTML5. Symbian is one of the mobile operating system used by Nokia. Windows 8 is a Microsoft newest operating system. Now, a time for activity. Identify the OS icons given below and try to give the answer. Identify the OS icons. Number 1. What's the answer for number 1? Yes. Ubuntu is the answer for first one. Second one, all are familiar with that picture? I think so. Second one, Windows 8. Third one, BlackBerry. Very good. The fourth one, Brew OS. Fifth one, Apple iOS. Sixth one, Bada OS. So students, in part 2, we just learned the remaining types of mobile OS and its functions. Thank you students. Thank you.